Open the packing box. Take out the scooter. The position of the front of the car. Cut the zip tie with scissors. Open this position. Stuff it into the casing. Organize the thread and stuff it into this position. The position of the card slot. Tighten it clockwise. Fasten again. There will be a 60 tool on the vehicle to this position. Align the front of the car. Fold it down. Tighten this position. Stand up and fasten. Press it down. There will be a mobile phone holder in the box. Pump and seat bag. The seat bag is installed in this location. Open the bayonet first and relax a little. Plug it into the right position. Tighten this nut. Fasten it again. The key position. Scissors. Cut the strip. Air pump. Then the second one is the key to the box. This is a pump, mobile phone holder, tool, manual, and charger. Mobile phone holder installation. A phone holder. Fix the bracket. Installation tool. Mobile phone holder installation. Remove the nuts on both sides of it first. And then tighten it clockwise. Remove this nut. Position of the screw. Align it with the opening. Place the nut all the way down. Tighten it clockwise.
The whole car is installed.